Well. It's been a long time since I've uploaded anything on YouTube. Oh my god, it's been forever. I'm sorry. I just kind of like disappeared on everybody, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll get into that later in another video someday. I had so many different crafts planned, but anyways, here is my recent creation out of cardboard, making a cardboard pirate ship. Some things of it was difficult. Depending what I wanted to do with it, I did some change ups to what the original directions were. Like I followed another video tutorial online, and there's a lot of it I changed in comparison of what they did for theirs to give it my own sort of unique look to my own. I wasn't a fan of this yellow I did here. This yellow is terrible. It wasn't supposed to be like that. I kind of the brush I was using just kind of ruined it. So instead of like adding another layer of paint to it, I just went with it. And here you can see the end results. Not bad, I think, for my first ever cardboard pirate ship. I plan to create other things in the future. Doing with cardboard, I think, is like kind of therapeutic in a sense, as long as I'm not like getting burnt on the glue, which seems to be pretty much the habit whenever I created this one here. So I hope you liked that little sample video here. But yes, stick around. Hopefully everybody doesn't unsubscribe as soon as I see this video, because I do plan to maybe get back into the tutorials since I missed out on a lot of videos. Like I don't even know where I'm at anymore with like videos. If I even showed you guys the screenshots of like the banners I already had done for video ideas that I wanted to cover for topics for like pet care and stuff like that, and different DIYs like getting back into creating jewelry out of wood.